Hello, this is Wayne Schwartz again for AEP 800, and now I'm working on the second video of the mini assignment number 3, 5 new technologies. So my second new technology or new website that I'm recommending is RexFactor, which is found in Mangahigh. And the reason that I chose this particular source is because it has games on it. And we talked about in a previous discussion board how gaming can be very beneficial to students. It can keep them engaged. It works well in a blended learning situation, and it also can hone in on skills that they might need help on as well. Since I'm focusing on content area, which is math for me, and methods. So for teachers, this could be for teachers and for students. That's who I'm addressing this to. The goals or objectives for students to work on topics that are already being taught or topics that students need remediation on, which is very important, especially in a math class, especially what I teach in higher level mathematics. So it's really cool. It's got a good resource section with webinars, distance learning resources, knowledge base. There's some coding, which is that. The coding is a very modern thing, and it's good. And here's the games. So it's got games here. Particular games that I like here is this one, because I'm actually teaching this now in my Algebra 2 class, which is these are factorizing games. So you can factor things, and you can click on any of these games for students that are using it. Again, it's the audience is intended for students and or teachers to use so that they can link this to students, whatever platform that they're using. So if we give a little bit of demonstration of it, some of these games, again, topic oriented. I just chose this because this is in my own class. So if we factor quadratics here, I can click on this and choose it. And it comes up and loads up, as you can see. We'll play a little bit here. And the IST standard obviously is creating a culture where teachers and learners can be empowered to use tech. That's in section 3. Inspire a culture of innovation that allows time to explore digital resources and tools. And then TPACs 1 through 4, 1, 3, and 4, you provide learning experience and assessments that give authentic learning experiences. And that's what we want to do. So it's cool here. You've got the skill level number of questions. I'm just going to go ahead and play for a little bit. You can see here, x squared plus 10x is the expansion here. And kids can go through here and answer. Well, here it's supposed to be 21, it's 10, so true or false they can answer, and then they go on. So each time they go on, they level up. Term and the expansion here, the x term. Okay, so the x term would be the middle term, minus 2x, minus 3x, minus 5x. So then they could keep going. I'm just going to exit out, just a quick demonstration. Very good for kids to keep them engaged and keep them interested in the work. I think that's the biggest challenge for us as math teachers, is to keep kids interested and challenged at the same time. And then if it's a blended learning thing, you can have kids do this before they come to class, and then you can go into some more higher level activities like problem solving and things like that with collaborative work, along with higher order thinking skills. So it is free. It's pretty cool. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed that. And that's my second video. It's called Mangahigh Rex. You can see it. RexFactor. The RexFactor. All right. Thank you so much. See you later.